In today's fast-paced world, stress has become an inevitable part of life. Whether it's due to work pressures, personal responsibilities, or societal expectations, stress can have significant impacts on our physical and mental well-being. Effective stress management is crucial to maintaining a healthy lifestyle and ensuring that stress does not overwhelm us. This document explores the need for stress management, steps to manage stress, various stress management techniques, and the importance of working independently to handle stress. Key sources of stress. Understanding the primary sources of stress can help in developing effective management strategies. Here are some of the key sources of stress: work-related stress, job pressure, high expectations, tight deadlines, and excessive workload can lead to significant stress. Job security. Uncertainty about job stability or fear of layoffs can create anxiety and stress. Workplace relationships. Conflicts with colleagues or supervisors, lack of support, or workplace bullying can be major stressors. Work-life balance. Difficulty in balancing professional and personal life can lead to stress, especially when work encroaches on personal time. Financial stress, debt, managing loans, credit card debt, and other financial obligations can be overwhelming. Living expenses, rising costs of living, such as housing, utilities, and food, can create financial strain. Income stability, irregular income or insufficient earnings to meet basic needs can be a constant source of worry. Health-related stress, chronic illness, long-term health conditions can cause ongoing stress due to medical treatments, physical limitations, and financial burdens. Acute illness or injury. Sudden health issues can disrupt daily life and create significant stress. Mental health. Conditions like anxiety, depression, and other mental health disorders are both a cause and consequence of stress. Personal relationships, family dynamics, conflicts, divorce, and family responsibilities can create stress within the family unit. Friendships, strained or toxic friendships can be a source of emotional stress. Romantic relationships, relationship issues, such as misunderstandings, infidelity, or lack of support, can be major stressors. Societal stress, social expectations, pressure to meet societal norms and expectations can lead to stress, especially regarding appearance, success, and behavior. Discrimination. Experiencing discrimination based on race, gender, sexual orientation, or other factors can cause significant stress. Political and economic climate. Uncertainty or instability in the political or economic environment can be a source of widespread stress. Environmental stress, noise pollution. Constant exposure to loud noises can increase stress levels. Living conditions. Poor living conditions, such as overcrowding or unsafe neighborhoods, can be sources of stress. Natural disasters, events like earthquakes, floods, and hurricanes can cause immediate and long-term stress. Technological stress, information overload, the constant influx of information from emails, social media, and news can be overwhelming. Technostress, difficulty in keeping up with new technologies or feeling constantly connected can create stress. Cybersecurity. Concerns about online privacy and security can lead to anxiety. Stress management is essential for several reasons. Physical health. Chronic stress can lead to numerous health issues, including hypertension, heart disease, diabetes, and a weakened immune system. Mental health. Prolonged stress is linked to mental health problems such as anxiety, depression, and burnout. Productivity. High levels of stress can reduce productivity and efficiency, leading to mistakes, missed deadlines, and decreased performance. Relationships. Stress can strain relationships with family, friends, and colleagues, leading to conflicts and misunderstandings. Quality of life. Effective stress management can enhance the overall quality of life, promoting happiness, contentment, and a sense of well-being. Steps to manage stress. Identify stressors. Recognize the sources of stress in your life, whether they are external, work, relationships, or internal, thought patterns, perceptions. Assess your response. Understand how you react to stress and identify any unhealthy coping mechanisms. Develop healthy coping strategies. Replace unhealthy responses with positive actions such as exercise, meditation, and hobbies. Set realistic goals. Break down tasks into manageable steps and set achievable goals to avoid feeling overwhelmed. Seek support. Don't hesitate to seek help from friends, family, or professionals if stress becomes unmanageable. Evaluate and adjust. Regularly review your stress management strategies and adjust them as needed to ensure they remain effective. Stress management techniques. There are various techniques to manage stress effectively. Time management. Organize your time efficiently to balance work and personal life. Prioritize tasks and delegate when possible. Meditation and mindfulness. Practice meditation and mindfulness to calm the mind and reduce anxiety. Techniques like deep breathing and progressive muscle relaxation can also be beneficial. Exercise. Regular physical activity releases endorphins, which are natural stress relievers. Activities like yoga, jogging, and swimming are particularly effective. Healthy diet. Maintain a balanced diet to support your body's stress response. Avoid excessive caffeine and sugar, and include plenty of fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. Sleep hygiene. Ensure you get adequate sleep to help your body recover from daily stress. Create a relaxing bedtime routine and keep a consistent sleep schedule. Positive thinking, relaxation techniques. Working independently. Working independently can also play a significant role in stress management. Autonomy. Having control over your work and decisions can reduce stress and increase job satisfaction. Self-discipline. Develop self-discipline to stay focused and motivated. Set clear goals and create a structured routine. Problem solving. Enhance your problem solving skills to handle challenges effectively without feeling overwhelmed. Resourcefulness. Be resourceful and find innovative ways to complete tasks efficiently, reducing the stress of tight deadlines. Resilience. Build resilience to bounce back from setbacks and maintain a positive outlook. Stress management is crucial for maintaining overall health and well-being. By understanding the need for stress management, taking proactive steps, utilizing effective techniques, and working independently, individuals can significantly reduce their stress levels. Implementing these strategies not only enhances productivity and relationships but also improves the quality of life. Remember, managing stress is an ongoing process that requires commitment and self-awareness.